Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Today's recipe is beef shakuti. It's a rich gravy made with coconut and lot of spices, and it goes very well with rice, pulao, bread. So let's get started. For that what I need is beef 1 kg, vinegar 1 tablespoon. You need 2 medium size onion and a tomato medium. Now you will think that these are only the ingredients what we need to make beef shakuti. This is a starting point where we need to marinate the beef with vinegar. I will show this recipe step by step. So follow each and every part. Don't skip the video in order to make this perfect. So this you need to mix it and keep it for at least 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut the onion and tomatoes. So next step is let's boil the beef. Add oil. Add onion. Let it saute for a while till it becomes brown in color. So now I will add tomato. Onion is already ready. Let it be for 2 to 3 minutes. After adding tomato, you need to saute this for at least 2 minutes. Check this out. Once it is sauteed nicely, you add beef to this. One cup of water. Mix it nicely. Now once you mix this well, keep it on medium flame and cover it and let the beef cook. Now next part is to get all the ingredients ready, get the masala ready. So to make the shakuti masala, we need all the ingredients. I have taken half a coconut, dry coconut it is. Also it is called hobre. This gives you a better flavor actually, the dry one. If you don't have it, it's not an issue. You can use a coconut, regular coconut. Also I have taken chili, Kashmiri chili 4 each. Then I have garlic 1 pod, ginger 1 inch, cumin 1 teaspoon, star anise is 2 each, cinnamon 1 inch, tamarind is 15 grams, cloves 4 each, black peppercorn 20 each, elaichi green one I have 4 and black one I have 1, and then I have a nutmeg which is 1/4, dagad that is 1 each, and also I have turmeric 1 teaspoon, khaskhas 1 teaspoon, and fennel seeds which is 1 teaspoon, and coriander, dry coriander 1 tablespoon. So let's get the roasting part now. Now we have to dry roast all the masala. First I will add coconut. Keep it on a medium flame and let it roast on a medium flame only, otherwise it will get burned. Let it get even color from all sides. I check this out, this color is good enough. Now I am going to remove this. Keep it separate. Now keep the flame on low. Add garlic. Do not add oil, only dry roast. Ginger. Leave it on low flame. Now once you get color, you add the grateful, cinnamon stick, elaichi, both, nutmeg, star anise, cloves and peppercorn. Roast it for a while. Let the flame be on low only. Now you add chilies, coriander, fennel seeds and cumin. Mix it well. Now the whole idea is to roast this step by step. Now if you add khaskhas or you add this cumin and all first, it will get burned and you will have bitter flavor. So in order to avoid all that, you need to add this step by step. Now at this point, you add khaskhas and turn off the flame and mix well. Now this is ready. Let it cool down and then we'll add it to a jar and get this paste together with other ingredients. Now I have already added coconut, tamarind and turmeric powder, and now I will add all the remaining which we had roasted ingredients to the jar and sufficient amount of water to make a fine paste. Guys, check this out. Now this beef is already soft. What you can do is, if it's still hard and it is not soft, you can use a pressure cooker. It depends on the meat, what quality you get. So this is already soft and tender. Now I'm going to add masala to this. Check this out. And by adding water to the jar, now this is very thick. You have to keep the right consistency. Now what else we want is, we have already added salt to the meat. Now I will add salt to the gravy. Mix it well, let it boil. Mix this well. Let it simmer. You can just leave it open. You don't have to cover this. Now also I'm going to add chili and chopped fresh coriander. We'll keep this on simmer for at least 10 minutes. Guys, check this out. This has been simmering for 10 minutes. Keep it on a low flame. Check out the seasoning. Check the salt. I have tasted it and it is lovely. The aroma filled my house. Do try it out and your loved ones will love this. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you, guys.